I love watching what I eat in a week videos, and I especially love Korean food. Hi, Ben. You just get a tiny, tiny bit. Oh, uh-oh, I'm sorry. Huh. For lunch, I'm having this white bean porridge that my mom made for me, and then some soup and some pickled cucumbers. Trader Joe's spicy cheese crunchies. I'm having Hainang chicken with some salad. Good morning. For breakfast, I'm gonna have some orange juice, a Saturn peach, which is literally one of my favorite peaches. It looks like a planet, I guess. And then my dad cut me up some fruit. I'm drinking orange juice, eating honeydew, and then a peach. That's a lot of fruit. I love fruit. For my snack, I'm gonna have some ceviche, which is not Korean, but I'm eating it with a Korean spoon. I just had some leftover shrimp, so I decided to make ceviche. There is a Korean type of ceviche, but it's more spicy. Wow. After my workout, I'm having a Splendid Spoon smoothie and then an Asian hot dog bun, because life is about balance. For lunch, I'm having this pita pizza with a Korean sweet potato. Hi, Ben Ben. For my snack, I'm having tok, which is a rice cake. I microwaved it for 30 seconds and it melted quite a bit, but there's red bean inside. It's stuck to my bowl. I'm not the biggest fan of red bean, but I don't mind it with tok because tok is not sweet. Hello, I am on my lunch break. This chair is way too high for the table. For lunch, I don't have anything fancy. It's just tofu, eggplant, and brown rice that I made as meal prep. Pretty much just a I need to survive type of lunch. I refilled my 32 ounce and my 24 ounce. Then I have some peaches. Post-workout ritual shake. I feel like my smoothies are better because I just like the ingredients that I use a little more. This combo tastes a little bland. For lunch, I am having some seafood noodles with some tteok, which is rice cake, a Korean rice cakes. Oh, there is crab in here. Hello, for dinner I am having cold soba noodles. So I just take some soba noodles and then I dip it in this sauce. It's basically like a cold soba noodle sauce. And you just dip it and you eat it. I used to eat this a lot when I was a kid. There is some flavor from the soba noodles, so you don't need that much sauce. But if you're used to really salty things, then you may need to drench it in. I think it's really just soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. But I buy like the pre-packaged bottles of it. And then for dessert, I have some white peaches. Normally I don't mind just biting into it, but this one was kind of big. Good morning. I am going to have a little bit of strawberries, and I mean little because they are tiny. I already washed them and cut them. They are called Harry's berries and they are super tiny from a farm and they are organic. But they are the sweetest strawberries I've ever had. Today my snack choice is these chestnuts. I already ate some of them, but they're already peeled and they just look like this. I always think of that Christmas song that starts off with chestnuts roasting on an open fire. I have like 5 left in here. For lunch, I'm actually just going to be a little lazy and make ramen. This is my favorite type of ramen. I've been eating it for years. The Samyang orange packet ramen, there's really no other name. Since 1963. Tied my hair in this giant bun. I feel like when I am in a rush and I tie my hair in a bun, looks great. When I am trying to tie it in a bun, questionable. Now that it's getting hot, I'm just gonna add the broth and the little dried vegetables. I used to add everything all at the same time, but I heard that doing the broth first flavors the noodles a little better. Here's my ramen. Oh, that's too much. I eat really small pieces at a time. I like to eat slow quite often, so about this much is good. And you always have to eat ramen with kimchi. 뱀뱀. 너무 원해요. Have you eaten it already?
Yep.
I am eating pepper lunch, which is actually a restaurant name, but then I made it at home. Always eat everything with kimchi.